Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are installing one pack of the One Pack is Enough Zury hair. It comes in 8, 9, and 10 inches, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step method that I use to achieve this pretty perfect look. Let's get started. So the first thing I do, of course, is get my mesh cap. I like the ones that are thinner and not thicker. And then here is the pack of hair. Only got one pack because they said that one pack is enough. Here are my plaits, and I just realized that my cap is an open top cap. I like the closed top, but it's fine. If you don't know how to braid, you can do plaits like me, or you can do twists and just put your hair in a couple little ponytails. This is the pack. I'm just showing you that it's 8, 9, and 10 inches. So it's 3 bundles in the pack. And at this point, I'm just trying to sort out how long I want the hair to be. If I want to go 10 at the bottom and then 9 and then 8 at the top, like I have seen some people do, or if I wanted to go 8 at the bottom and then 9 and then 10 at the top. The bundles are very full and there are 3 of them in the pack. So I knew that one pack would be good for me. At this point, I'm starting with the 8 inches at the bottom because it's giving me like a cute little bob, or I think that it will. If you need a full tutorial on how to do the crochet method, I have a video for that on my page. So I'm just making sure I pull it tightly so I can see exactly how long it's gonna be. And then I'm putting another piece in just so you can see the length, and that I also start in the back. The curl pattern on this is really pretty, and the hair is very soft, but it does give me a really good knot at the base, so I know that the hair is not going to come out. Now here's what it looks like with one pack or one bundle, all of the 8 inches in the back. It's really full and I really like it. And here's what it looks like with 2 bundles, the 8 and then the 9 above it. It's really full. So as you can see, the hair came out really good. It's very soft. It reminds me of Freetress GoGo curl, but it's a little bit of a looser curl, and the curls are not exactly the same. What I will tell you is that it is okay to kind of pack the hair in close because there is a lot of hair in the pack. And if you need to take some from the back and put it in the front when you get there, it'll work out fine because this hair unravels pretty good in the very beginning. Now I do feel like over time it's going to tangle, so I probably will only leave it in for like 2 weeks, but it's a really good looking hair. I didn't really have to trim any except for like 1 or 2 pieces that were a little bit longer than everything else, but going 8, 9, 10 gave me this look. Now I have seen some people who go 10, 9, 8. Do what you want to do, but this is what it will come out looking like if you do 8, 9, 10. I've tried other One Pack is Enough hair, and I like this curl pattern. It's loose enough for it to be kind of bouncy, but it's tight enough where I know that the root that knot will kind of tangle, and so the hair won't just slide out. In the mornings when I wake up, I will have to give it a little bit of a fluff because putting it under the bonnet is gonna like smush it down, I'm sure. But ultimately, I am very happy with the way this hair looks. I used the color 2 and I only used one pack. It was $19.99 and I got it at my local beauty supply store. Again, here's what the pack looks like with the hair out of it. I will be trying another curl pattern soon, but right now I am absolutely happy with this hair. Let me know if you tried it or any of the other curl patterns that they offer. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. And until next time, have a good day.